Welcome everyone. Question on the ideal gas. Calculate the temperature of 2 moles 24 liters of an ideal gas at 4 atmosphere pressure. Choices are A. 432.72 K, B. 584.65 K, C. 694.24 K, D. 724.79 K. Answer is B. 584.65 K. Explanation we will see in the next slide. Here given mole N is equal to 2 moles, volume V is equal to 24 liters, pressure P is equal to 4 atmosphere. We know that gas constant R is equal to 0.0821 liter atmosphere K inverse mole inverse. Temperature T to be determined. We know that PV is equal to nRT or T is equal to PV by nR. Now we put the values of P, V, N and R in this equation. Therefore, T is equal to 4. It is the value of P into 24. It is the value of V by 2. It is the value of N into 0.0821. It is the value of R, or T is equal to 584.65 K. Thank you for watching this video.